In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Sweatcoin money to PayPal. Now, before I get into this video, I want to be as transparent as possible. There is no direct way to actually do it. We could still go ahead and get PayPal money in exchange for Sweatcoin. However, the process won't be very straightforward. But anyways, guys, now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and start off. So we have multiple different approaches, and one way we could actually go ahead and approach this is by redeeming PayPal awards via the Sweatcoin marketplace. So what you want to do is you want to go to the bottom menu and then go ahead and select on rewards right over here. And if you're on an iOS device, then there's going to be like a shopping bag icon, and you basically want to go ahead and press it. It's going to be in the bottom navigation bar. But anyways, guys, from here, you want to go ahead and select on buy. And then from here, you guys are able to go ahead and actually purchase gift cards and stuff like that. And occasionally there is going to be some PayPal promotions where you guys could purchase like a PayPal card. So yeah, occasionally PayPal will actually be an option. So yeah, as you're able to tell, we do have a bunch of different gift cards over here. And basically you want to go ahead and actually select on one of them. And from here, you guys could actually get these gift cards for a particular amount of Sweatcoin. So that's honestly pretty cool, guys. You literally are able to go ahead and have a chance of increasing your PayPal balance just by using Sweatcoin. So that's honestly really awesome. But once you have enough, you should be able to go ahead and enter, and then from there you guys should be able to get your PayPal reward. Now next up, we have another option that's a little bit less straightforward and a little bit more risky in my opinion, and that is to sell Sweatcoins to another users. So since direct cash outs aren't widely supported, many users sell their Sweatcoin to buyers who pay via PayPal, and here's how to do it. Number one, you want to accumulate a decent amount of Sweatcoin in your application. The more, the better. Next up, you want to find a buyer through platforms like Reddit. You guys could look at the subreddit r/Sweatcoin, or you guys could look through Discord communities dedicated to Sweatcoin trading. And from there, you guys want to go ahead and agree on a price. So Sweatcoins typically sell for 2 cents to 6 cents each, but keep in mind that these rates will actually fluctuate based on supply and demand, and you want to transfer your Sweatcoin to the buyer's Sweatcoin account, and then once confirmed, the buyer sends you the agreed amount via PayPal. Now, this is honestly a little bit complicated, guys, so I personally recommend the first option more. However, if you do know reliable people, then make sure to go ahead and do option number 2. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.